guys, I'm gonna strain again as usual. There's still stuff in. Strain again, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing some cherry and pineapple juice. So I have my pineapple and ginger here, and I have my cherry, frozen cherry right here. I have some water and the bullet and some lime juice. We have lime juice. This is the bottle one. Okay, so I'm gonna just use like a teaspoon of it. Okay, yes, so let's begin. And I have my pot and the strainer. Alright, so let's begin. So first thing, my bullet today is a very small one, so I'm gonna add it some cherry to it, and then I'm gonna add some pineapple. I might have to do it in 2 phases. Okay guys, so let's start. I'm gonna add some cherry to the jar. Oh, and I also have some sugar. I'm gonna add a bit of sugar to the juice. I'm gonna add some of the cherry. I'm gonna add some of the pineapple. So if you have a small jar, pull it like this one, guys. Thunder. Yes. If you have a small one like this, you'll have to, if you're making it for more than one person, you will have to do the same thing. Okay, so yes, so I'm gonna add some lime juice, just say 2 tablespoons. Right, so I'm gonna add some water to this. So it's juice I'm making, guys. Juice. Right? It's at the max. Then I'm gonna add my sugar. I'm gonna add roughly 2 tablespoons. If you have honey, you can also use your honey. Alright? If you don't want sugar, you don't have to add sugar. Alright? So let's close this. And here we go. This into the strainer. It's right there with the pot. Yes. Okay. Now I'm gonna get a second mixture. Alright. So you're going to make my Sunday drink with me today. Alright guys. Hopefully. Lovely. I don't hear you responding, but I know it's lovely. 2 tablespoons of this. Right. Don't want to see what I was doing a while ago. Some sugar to taste. And then you get the water. Water, guys. Oops, went a little bit over the max, but not to worry. So today I'm showing you that if you don't have the larger bullet, the small one, and you have a 3-4 person family, you just blend it, share the amount of the stuff into and blend it into. Alright, so I pour this out. Remember, we're going to use a spoon to assist the process. Oh, cherry. I remember cherry is rich in vitamin C, guys. So it's very good for the children immune system. Strengthen the children immune system, yours too, right? So it's very good. Yeah. So my drink look rich, so it seems like I can add some more water to this process. Alright. Put this here. Add some more water. So again, guys, I'm gonna add some more water to this, and I'm gonna add it to the juice. There, guys. So that's the trash from the cherry and the pineapple. So I'm gonna put these aside. Yes. And I'm gonna strain again as usual. There's still stuff in the juice. Sweet, still stuff. Strain again, guys. Okay. Just like that, guys, the juice is ready. Cherry and pineapple juice, good for the entire family. No preservative, no additives, just natural juice. Okay, remember to like this video, subscribe, share with your families and friends. Don't forget to watch my other video at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Guys, I'm gonna strain again as usual. Just like that, guys, the juice is ready. Cherry and pineapple juice, good for the entire family. No preservative, no additives, just natural juice.